Hello Ballet 1 class. We had such a great class yesterday. Thank you for being so attentive, such good listeners, and thank you for being willing to try new things, new steps. You did a fantastic job, and I'm looking forward to a great year ahead. So here are some reviews from what we learned yesterday. We started off by pointing and flexing our feet, so that's always a good thing to do, either sitting up tall, pointing and flexing your feet, or standing and balancing and pointing and flexing, right? And then we learned that in ballet, whenever we lift our foot off the floor, it's pretty much always in a pointed foot position. Ballerinas don't flex their feet too much. We learned first position, which I think all of you knew. We learned second position, our heels are under our shoulders. We also learned fifth position with one foot in front of the other, and the heel of the front foot is touching the big toe of the back foot. We also did a jump called a changement, and the girls thought it sounded like a sneeze. Changement! We joked about that, a changement. And a changement is where we plie, and then jump, spring into the air, and switch positions. So we would change feet from one fifth position to the other fifth position. We practiced that, and I would love for you to practice that at home this week, your changements. Arms are in low fifth, they're rounded like we're holding a big beach ball, and we plie. We must always plie before we spring up off the floor. We spring into the air and switch positions to the other fifth position in front. The other foot's in front. Changement, changement. And of course, we roll through our feet, toe ball heel, as we land, and then we spring up the opposite way into the air. When we jump, we always plie first, our legs straighten in the air, and then we come down softly. So, plie, changement. Plie, changement. We also did sautés in first position, where we jump from first. We did that 8 times, and then we can also jump in second position, sauté in second position. We did lots of jumps, and whenever ballerinas get tired or a little bit worn down, we still hold our composure and stand up tall, because ballerinas always must look graceful. So whenever there's something that's very difficult, we still stand tall and smile. We also learned another step called a ballet. There are 3 parts to this step, and I'm going to turn away from you so you can follow along with me. The ballet, steps to the side, right. Our left foot goes behind us, rock, back, front, side, back, front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This back is like a rocking horse. Back, front, back, front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ballet, ballet, ballet. I'll turn and face to you now so you can see. If you feel comfortable with the feet, please go ahead and add the arms. We can do different types of arms with this. I'll just keep my arms going from side to side, floating side to side. So I'll go to your right first, my left. We step side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back, front. This is a very flowing step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Balances are very fun. Let's talk about the triplet step that we learned. Triplet, we learned, means 3 steps. And we start the first 2 steps in releve. We do those releves in class. We rise up onto our tiptoes. So we take 2 steps on releve. And the third one comes down into plie. So we go 1, 2. On the third step, we come down to plie. The back foot tucks behind our ankle and hides in coupe. Right there. And we do 2 more steps. 1, 2, 3. And that back foot again is hiding behind in coupe. So we go up, up, down. Up, up, down. This is our triplet. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Triplet. have much room, but we made a circle doing those triplets in class. And dancers, I would love for you to practice that around your house this week as you're walking around. You can go up, up, down,